Jabala. Breaking her silence over the joining issue, suspended Congress Legislative Party leader Ampareen Joining said she will be joining another political party after 10 December. Joining said that she is already winding up her consultation with the people of her constituency. Dr. Joining said that she would like to help the party that she is going to join soon, and there is one intention in mind: give Meghalaya a strong government in 2023.
I'm already winding up my consultation with every citizen in my constituency. I've left no one out of that. And I'm likely to complete this exercise by the 10th of December. And please expect me to go to some political party. We do not underestimate anyone, nor do we overestimate ourselves. But I would like to see that I go to a party with one intention in mind: give Meghalaya a strong government in 2023.
Suspended Congress leader Ampareen